2, 1.
Good day, this is Jason here at So Creative, and I'm going to talk to you about this Regina vacuum that we've got in. And it's a cool little vacuum. It's very, very light, very easy to pick up. So it's especially good for somebody that doesn't have a whole lot of arm strength, might be dealing with some arthritis, is really concerned about the weight, especially on your hand. So what makes this a little bit different than some other vacuums that might be similar is pretty much all of the weight of the vacuum itself is actually down here. So it is a cordless one. You can see there's no cord attached to this. So there's no cord weight, which is another plus on those that are looking for a very light vacuum. So since there's no cord attached to it, it is cordless. And the battery is actually located here. So that's the rechargeable battery. So it's not up here on the handle, which is going to increase any weight in your hand. And the whole rest of the vacuum is basically right down here. So you've got your brush roll in the front, you've got a filter here, you've got your dustbin here, and you've got your motor there. All of it is, so basically all of the weight of most of the vacuum is down at the floor or near the floor. So like I said, your handle weight is going to be very, very minimal, which is really good. So there's turning the vacuum on. Very nice and easy to maneuver. Swivel neck, so you can swivel back and forth like that. These four blue buttons, or 4 blue lights right here on the front, that actually indicates how much of a charge you have. So if you've got 4 blue lights on there, you're at or near a full charge, and the more you use it, the less lights are going to be lighted up there. So when you get down to 2 or 1 blue lights there, you know it's time to charge it again. And we've got a nice long charging cord that it comes with. Turn it on. And actually releasing it back like this turns on the brush roll. So you get nice good brush roll action for cleaning up all of your dirt that's in your carpet. It's also good for working on your bare floor. I'm going to show you how to empty out the dustbin here. You push that button, this little red button right here, that releases this here. Then you take this over to your garbage can, you release this button here, that opens up, and then you can dump all your dirt just right into your garbage can. Another thing to do to help clean this out, you see these here, this little arrow, this lines up with it being locked together. This one means that it can come apart. So you can actually take it apart. You can go and take this to the garbage. You can clean this out if you've got stuff stuck around on it. And you put it back together, twist that. And something I'm going to show you is this little area here needs to go down right here into this area. So that make sure you get it installed right, and you push it back in until you get a click. Now you've got a clean dustbin, ready to go do some more vacuuming, pick up some more dirt. Very nice and light and easy to use. Another thing I want to point out to you is this is its regular low setting right here on the handle. This increases the speed of the brush roll, so you even got higher speed cleaning. And then when you're all done, step on it there, it turns off the vacuum, and you're good to go. So this new Regina, we've got some here in stock already. We're getting some more next week, and they are available here at So Creative. If you want to take a look at them, come down and see us. We're at 1139 North Princeton, which is right across the street from Lewis and Clark School. If you want to call us and ask us any questions about it, 509-663-5516, and you can either call or text us, and we'll respond to your text as well. We're open Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. This would be a great Christmas gift with the holidays coming up. So come in and see it, or call us and talk to us about it. We'd be happy to answer any questions you got. Thanks, and have a great day.